Hello patients, clients and colleagues. Welcome to Audiologic. I am going to talk to you about hearing aid batteries. There are 4 different sizes of hearing aid batteries. They are all zinc air batteries. So when the little sticker comes off the battery and the air touches the surface of the battery, it becomes activated. They all work in a similar way. They are just different sizes. The smallest hearing aid battery is called a size 10 or has the yellow colour. This is for the smallest of hearing aids and will give you about 3 to 5 days of battery life. The next size battery is the 312 or the one with the brown coloured sticker. And that will give you around 7 to 10 days of battery life. The next size up is a size 13, or the batteries with the orange colour. This will give you about 10 to 14 days of battery life. And the largest battery, which is least used, is the size 675 battery, which has the blue colour. This is used in superpower hearing aids. The amount of life you get out of the battery will depend on how many hours you're using your hearing aid during the day. These basic estimates are on a 16-hour day of usage. If you have a hearing aid that has Bluetooth and you stream your hearing aids with another Bluetooth device, this will drain the battery of your hearing aid even further. So you will find that you're changing the battery more often than perhaps the recommended time frame. A few little hints about hearing aid batteries. It is important to allow the battery to be exposed to the air for about 60 seconds before inserting it into the hearing aid and closing the battery door. This will give you the maximum life out of the battery. It is important that you purchase your hearing aids from a reputable hearing aid clinic that orders in batteries from the hearing aid manufacturers that are made in Germany. You can check this by looking at the back of the card of your batteries to see if it's made in Germany. These are the best quality of hearing aid batteries. Hearing aid batteries purchased at the pharmacy or a supermarket may fit inside your hearing aid, but they are not the same quality battery, and you will find that you're changing your battery more often, which ends up being more costly to you. On average, clients spend approximately $100 a year on their hearing aid batteries for 2 hearing aids. Please be careful of young children and pets when changing your batteries to make sure they're not being left around on the ground where they can be easily accessible. If you prefer not to use a battery, perhaps you're concerned about the environmental waste, or you find replacing a battery every week is going to be too much, or for others you may have dexterity issues and find it difficult to change the battery. Since 2016, we now have fully rechargeable hearing aids available in Australia. Most brands are now supplying these types of hearing aids. They offer the same level of technology inside as the battery model, but just gives you the option of recharging the hearing aid at night instead of having to change the battery. The fully rechargeable hearing aid has an enclosed rechargeable lithium-ion cell, which the patient does not access or change. The cell should last around 4 to 5 years and will need to be returned to the clinic to have it changed. The fully rechargeable hearing aid models do cost more than the battery model. However, you're saving on the cost of not having to purchase hearing aid batteries every year. So in about 6 years' time, you should break even between the cost of the hearing aid batteries and purchasing the fully rechargeable model. The choice of opting for a fully rechargeable hearing aid is a personal decision. It is easier to use. You don't have to fiddle around with batteries. so you are paying for the convenience. The hearing aids normally take around 3 hours to fully charge, and that will give you between 20 to 24 hours of hearing. However, if you do stream your hearing aids with Bluetooth devices, this will reduce the amount of charge you get out of the hearing aid to approximately 16 hours a day. I hope you found that helpful about hearing aid batteries and the options we have today with fully rechargeable hearing aids. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe to give your support to the channel, and hit the bell icon too so that you don't miss out on the next new video. Audiologic, premium hearing care.